Welcome. My name is Grace Vella. I'm the owner of this brand. You Deserve Grace. We talk about personal finance, but more so how you can use personal finance to achieve your goals, understanding yourself, as well as understanding your emotions. And so, right now, I just want to talk about the most underutilized tool in personal finance, which are guaranteed investment certificates here in Canada. So GICs can be purchased in both non-redeemable and redeemable. So non-redeemable just means regardless of how much you cry, what kind of sob story you tell them, most likely your bank or financial institution is not going to let you have access to that money. Sounds terrible, but this is how it can help you. So let's say you and I are emotional spenders. And so rather than reaching your goal at the end of the year, which was to save $5,000, instead you're $5,000 in credit card debt, or you've spent that $5,000 cash in other ways that you had. You're doing a side hustle, and that money from the side hustle isn't going into your savings the way you wanted it to go. So this is how you can use GICs. So because they're non-redeemable, you could go in at any time in the bank and purchase one and tell them to lock it in for you. So that's what non-redeemable means. So let's say you have a goal to save $5,000. That's roughly like $420 a month. So let's say you get that. Most banks, the minimum they'll take is $500 on a GIC, or financial institutions log into your own online banking to find out what your bank's minimum for a GIC purchase is. Most likely you could purchase it online, no questions asked. Just make sure you have the maturity date as the same date for all of them. So instead of just buying one, you're going to buy a whole bunch over the course of the year or 2 years or 5 years, whatever the case may be. And you just make sure that they all mature on the same date. So you get $500, you have it, you put it in your savings account. So rather than leaving it as liquid cash, which you know you'll take when you see a really cute bag, or you want to buy a mountain bike, whatever it is that you want to do, you're going to go ahead and buy it with that cash when you see it. So when you turn around and you buy a GIC instead, what that does is it locks up that money and you can't access it until whatever maturity date you've chosen. So use the GICs. They're not just grandma's old tools. This is something that you can use to help you overcome emotional spending. For more details, log in our website, www.deservegrace.com, and you can check out our financial planning tools. Reach out if you need any further assistance.